Hi everyone! In this video, we'll show you how to turn off focus on your iPhone with a simple example. Before moving next, please subscribe to my channel for more tips. If you have subscribed, then like this video at the end. So, let's get started. First, unlock your iPhone and go to the home screen. Now, swipe down from the top right corner to open the control center. Here, you'll see the focus button. It might say Do Not Disturb, Sleep, Personal, or Work depending on which mode is active. Tap on the focus button. A list of focus modes will appear. The one that's currently active will be highlighted. To turn off focus, simply tap on the highlighted mode. You'll see it switch off and return to the default state. Now, focus is turned off and you'll start receiving calls and notifications as usual. For example, if you had Do Not Disturb on and weren't getting any calls, turning it off will now allow all calls and alerts to come through. That's it. You've successfully turned off focus on your iPhone. Thanks for watching.